Top 5 setup accessories under $20. Computer accessories are non-essentials that can be added to a PC or a laptop for better efficiency, either in a useful or decorative capacity. The great thing about setup accessories is they're relatively cheap over the function they offer. They don't cost an arm and a leg. In fact, some cost as low as $20. Today, on MS Tech, we will mention some of these accessories which cost less than $20 that you can use to show off your personal style, taste, and preferences. As always, the link to each product we mention will be in the description below. Happy viewing! Number 5. MOUSEPAD. Cheez-On Gaming Mousepad. $9.89. Mousepads are important because they help protect your desk and your mouse. True, most mice work just fine without a mousepad, but are you really okay with just fine? For less than $20, you have an array of great choices of mousepads to fully immerse yourself in your games, your single-player adventures, and competitive multiplayer matches. With a mousepad, you don't have to destroy your pretty, chic, and expensive computer desk with groove marks. Thankfully, it is not a difficult and laborious process to find a gaming pad that suits your setup. You only need to ask yourself a couple of questions to figure out the best mousepad for you. Questions like, how big of a mousepad do I want? How much do I want to spend? Would I like a hard or soft surface? Do I need any extra bells or whistles? Will go a long way in helping you make a decision. Once those questions are answered, picking the best mousepad for you then becomes easy as pie. When compared to the rest of your PC accessories, selecting a mousepad is very easy. Cheez-On Large Gaming Mousepad costs only $9.89. The best gaming mousepads these days now serve more function than just being a reliable surface to place and move your gaming mouse on. While that may have been their humble beginnings, they have gone a long way from that. The latest designs of mousepads now come with extra bells and whistles, looking more aesthetic than their predecessors. All the more reason they should be included in not just a gamer's, but everyone's PC arsenal. Number 4. Headphone Stand. AMOV Acrylic. $12.80. What might be the most underutilized desktop accessory is the headphone stand. Really, it is. Have you ever heard of a headphone stand before? In this age and time, people now have open workspaces, and so they try to create a little privacy for themselves by putting on their headphones to listen to music, make calls, or just tune out the noise of the day by simply putting on their headphones. A big question is, where do those headphones end up at the end of the day? Are they tossed in a drawer somewhere, or are they forgotten on the desk? Or perhaps they hang over the desktop monitor when you have no use for them. Once you accessorize your desk with a headphone stand, then those headphones of yours will have a permanent home. A good resting spot for standard and large headphones, headphone stands are slim with an unobtrusive design. With its stable and weighted base, it is a sturdy and one-piece steel construction. It has soft neoprene padding on the arm and base and an upturned lip for enhanced stability. AMOV Acrylic headphone stand costs only $12.80. With a headphone stand, you can declutter your workstation and get yourself in the right mindset to do business. A headphone stand will make your desk look nice and sophisticated, making you feel like a professional who is ready to get some work done. For all its great features and the function this accessory provides, it comes at quite the bargain, costing as low as $20 or even less. Headphone stands come in various shapes, styles, and materials. There are minimalistic styles, the ergonomic designs, the statement pieces, however you may want it to fit your desk and your budget. Number 3. Monitor Backlight. Nexilumi LED Strip Lights. TV LED backlight. $15.98. Monitor backlights are an interesting consumer accessory because they make for a thinner, lighter, and more efficient display. There are several monitor backlights created and available under such a bargain that will not just provide a beautiful and ambient lighting, it will also enhance your viewing experience. This monitor backlight has several lighting styles which change colors from rainbow jumping change to pulsating rainbow to pulsating red and so much more. Though not an essential, a couple of weeks with a monitor backlight and you will be wondering how you ever did without it. The backlight can also be controlled via Bluetooth on the Happy Lighting app, but it can only be controlled by one phone. Nexalumi LED Strip Lights TV LED backlight costs only $15.98. This monitor backlight comes in different sizes you can install however you may wish on your TV or laptop. Not just on your electronic devices, it can also be used on the makeup mirror, the dining table, the pelmet, and so on. Number 2. Wireless Phone Charging Stand. Anker Wireless Charger PowerWave Stand, $18.99. Wireless chargers are a great and convenient way of charging your phones without having to plug them in. They eliminate the stress of a cord and searching for a socket. Yes, it charges somewhat slower than wired chargers, but they have a lot of great advantages. There are stand-style chargers, which some say are the best, because unlike the horizontal pads, these allow you to make use of your phone while it's charging. Anker Wireless Charger PowerWave Stand costs only $18.99. Wireless charging has been around for a long time, since the 19th century, since Nikola Tesla demonstrated the magnetic resonant coupling. The magnetic resonant coupling is the ability to transmit electricity through the air by creating a magnetic field between two circuits, a transmitter, and a receiver. For nearly 100 years, however, the technology had no real or practical application, except in a few cases, like the electric toothbrush models. Since then, the technology has come a long way and gifted mankind with the wireless phone charger. Number 1. Monitor Stand. Huanhua Monitor Stand Razor, $19.77. Yes, a monitor stand is an accessory, but it is a must-have accessory. It will help reduce strain to the neck, back, and eyes, as well as reduce all the discomfort associated with it. An article released by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, says that more than 80% of those who spend more than 4 hours a day on their computers complain of back pains. This is largely due to poor posture. The wrong positioning of the monitors often leads to back and neck pain for the users. Huanhua Monitor Stand Razor costs $19.77. With a monitor stand, you will be able to adjust the monitor to the height that best suits your sitting position. It is solely designed to make a difference in your everyday work environment. A monitor stand provides you with the optimum height and screen angle for your viewing comfort. With the monitor stand comes increased comfort, which leads to increased productivity, reduction in stress, and the overall improvement on the quality of health. This monitor stand comes with a platform and 4 legs. All you have to do is screw the legs onto the platform and you're good to go, all in under a minute without the need for tools. The platform of this monitor stand is made out of powder-coated steel. It is also perforated to improve airflow toward your device, thus preventing overheating of your monitor or laptop. This monitor stand can hold up to 44 pounds and also has non-slip legs and anti-slip rubber, so you don't have to worry about your computer slipping off or being damaged. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Which one tickled your fancy? Those are 5 awesome setup accessories that can be gotten at the bargain price of less than $20. You should get a couple, and you'll be glad you did. Trust me. If you made it this far and enjoyed the video, go ahead and give that like button a click. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And, as always, stay classy.